Good morning everybody, it's from Jayshree. I am going to take electric circuits and electronic devices. The topic is what? AC waveform. Okay, I am going to take the AC waveform. These are the under the AC circuits. Okay, so these are the AC circuits. So let us see what I mean by AC waveform. The flow of electricity can be done in two ways like AC or DC. Electricity can be defined as a flow of electrons through a conductor such as wire. The main disparity among AC and DC mainly lies within the direction where the electron supplies. In direct current, the flow of electrons will be in a single direction, and in the alternating current, the flow of electrons will change their direction, like going forward and then going backward. Okay. These are there are two ways, AC and DC. AC represents the alternating current, DC represents the direct current. Electricity can be defined as the flow of electrons through a conductor such as wire. The main disparity among AC and DC mainly lies within the direction where the electron supplies. In direct current, the flow of electrons will be the single direction. In alternating current, the flow of electrons will change their direction, like going forward and then going backward. So why do we use AC in homes? AC voltage is capable of converting voltage levels just with the use of transformers. To transmit AC over the long distance, the voltage is stepped up to 400 kV at generating stations and stepped down at a lower level 400 bar 230 volt for the household and commercial utilization. AC motors are simple in construction, more efficient and robust as compared to the DC motors. Okay, these are the AC waveforms. Alternating quantity that varies according to the sign of angle. It starts from 0. Okay, the amplitude starts at 0 and it goes the maximum level. Okay, it goes to negative level and it goes to positive and it goes to negative. It is alternately, it will varies. The instantaneous value of the sine wave voltage for any angle of rotation is expressed in the formula. V is equal to Vm sin omega t is the angle, where Vm is the maximum voltage angle and the instantaneous values of voltage at the angle. Okay. Peak and RMS value. The magnitude of alternating quantity can be expressed in three ways: peak value, average value and effective or RMS value. Okay. The peak value. The maximum value attained by an alternating quantity during one cycle is called a peak value. The maximum value attained by an alternating quantity during one cycle is called peak value. This is also called maximum value or amplitude. The peak of an alternating voltage or current is expressed by Vm and Im. Okay, next one, average value. The average value of the periodic waveform, where it is a sine wave, square wave or triangular waveform, is defined. The quotient of the area under the waveform with respect to time. In other words, the averaging of all the instantaneous values along time axis with time being one full period. For symmetrical waves like sinusoidal current or voltage waveform, the positive half cycle will be exactly equal to the negative half cycle. Therefore, the average value over the complete cycle will be 0. The work is done by both positive and negative cycle, hence the average value is determined without considering the signs. So, the only positive half cycle is considered to determine the average value of alternating quantities of sinusoidal waves. The average value of the periodic waveform, where it is a sine wave, square wave or triangular waveform, is defined as the quotient of area under the waveform with respect to time. In other words, the averaging of all the instantaneous values along time axis with time being one full period. Okay, let us see what is effective value and RMS value. RMS stands for root mean square, called effective or heating the value of alternating current, which would provide the same amount of heat generation in the resistor as a AC voltage, which would if applied to the same resistor. The steady state current, which when then flows through the resistor of known resistance for the given period of time, then as a result the same quantity of heat is produced by alternating current. When flows through the same resistor for the same period of time is called RMS or effective value of the alternating current. In other words, the RMS value is defined as the square root of means of square of instantaneous values. Let I be the alternating current flowing through the resistor R for time t seconds, which produce the same amount of heat as produced by the direct current. Okay, this is what the differentiation between the RMS value and the root value. RMS value is also called effective or heating the alternating current, which provides the same amount of heat generation as it apply the resistor. So, okay, thank you all. Let us see the next class.